He is so cute. Look at my baby. He's so cute. Hi, honey. Hi, babe. So handsome. Look at those rolls. Oh my gosh. His hand is underneath his chubby cheeks. What a fat boy. You better fix your hand. Looks like it's gonna hurt. Oh no, fat boy. You look like your daddy. Oh my gosh, look at those rolls in there. What a fat boy. Can I call you Junior? Can I call you Junior? Oh, you look just like your daddy. Gross. You're a cute boy. You're so handsome. Can I bite you? Yeah. I'm gonna bite it off. All those ropes. My goodness. Don't you wish you could have some of this right now? Don't you wish you could just beat this little boy up right now? Say, no you can't, 'cause I'm over here and you're over there. Bye-bye.